Hello, and thank you for visiting the WoundSource Practice Accelerator on Wound Dressings 101. My name is Miranda Henry, the Editorial Director of WoundSource. The WoundSource Practice Accelerator series is an immersive program designed to provide educational resources on a key clinical topic throughout the entire month. This June's Practice Accelerator is on wound dressing basics and will provide foundational knowledge on the different types of dressings available and considerations in making effective and appropriate dressing selections for your patients. There are currently over 6,000 different wound dressings available on the market. Dressing types range from gauzes to dressing devices utilizing advanced technologies to manage different clinical aspects of wound care, including exudate management, infection prevention and control, and peri-wound protection. It is important to understand the correct indications for the dressings that you are prescribing. Different dressings are indicated for different types of wounds and may have contraindications or warnings for use. In making dressing choices, it is also important to conduct a thorough wound and whole patient assessment to determine the appropriate selection to meet the needs of your patient. Consider all aspects of the dressing to ensure an appropriately selected dressing for your patient. Some general aspects to consider when making a dressing selection are the properties or characteristics of the dressing, the indications, contraindications, or warnings and precautions for the dressing, the dressing change frequency, and their payer source or reimbursement for the dressing. This Practice Accelerator will provide an overview and descriptions of the general categories of wound dressings and offers guidance on key considerations to take into account when choosing a dressing for your patient. This month's Practice Accelerator program includes free educational materials on wound dressing information for use in your practice. On this page, you can download our overview white paper on wound dressing types. Click on the links provided to view our featured articles for the month, offering quick reference information on dressing options and practical selection strategies. Visit our glossary for definitions of key terms to support education on the topic. Follow WoundSource on Facebook and Twitter for a fact a day on Wound Dressings 101. Share these posts with your colleagues to increase their knowledge in a fun way. You may also download our companion fact sheet for access to these quick facts as another way to share this information. Join us for this month's featured webinar program, Dressed for Success, Clinical Considerations in Wound Dressing Selection with our guest speaker, Marta Osler. And test your knowledge with the Practice Accelerator quiz, available for you to take at any point during the month. Look for future Practice Accelerator series topics over the course of 2018. Sign up for our newsletter to receive regular updates on upcoming events and resources at www.woundsource.com. Join us throughout this month to access our free program materials for foundational education to support the appropriate selection of wound dressings for your patients to optimize the wound healing environment. Thank you.